All right, welcome back, Donald Miller's Electrical Services. Most difficult fish. So we have two of them on this job. And actually, I just popped through on the second one. So let's take a look at this. So oh gosh, too many doors open. So this is the old front entrance of the property, okay? And we have a three-way system from here through this concrete wall to this side, all right? Problem is, this is stone. So we have stone running through here, and we have to get three ways through here. So there's no point in going straight in just to the fixture. This is the old sconce, okay? But we have to get up there, okay? And then we have to bring it across, and then we're gonna bring it down to the entryway. So it's only like a 4-foot three-way switch, but it still has to get done. And we have a stone archway here. So here we go. All right, that goes through, up through there. Now, let's see, here we go. It's gonna get loud for a second. And that is our 3-foot bit. Now I'm gonna show you number 2. The second one is actually right above here. All right, so we have a laundry room on the second floor. I'll show you here. So that's our light fixture for this little laundry area nook. All right, and here we go again. Okay, this is on the second floor, directly above where we just were. Stone from here to here, right up in here. All right, now obviously it's a light fixture. All right, the switch leg wasn't that hard because it's actually hollow right here, so we were able to fish over. But to get a feed in here, you can't go below because it's a stone wall. This is the center of the house above the main door. All right, so we have to get a feed in here, and then what we're gonna do is we'll fish down these walls and hit there. You can't get a feed down there, so we gotta go from above. I'm gonna show you how we did this. Now this is going up to the 3rd floor. Okay, and this is a little outlet that they had for who knows what. They could have like a little half table here. But we used that 3-foot bit, went straight across, straight through. All right, and I'll show you where we ended up. And we ended up in that ceiling. So that outlet is directly above this light fixture. Okay, drilled through, went into the A-frame of the pitch of the roof, went into this little A-frame cavity. All right, and it's open. It's open framing up there, so we were able to fish across. So what made it difficult was the exterior stone wall, having to use the 3-foot bit. And on both circumstances, you're drilling into a blind area that you can't check. So here we go drilling blind again. It becomes more and more difficult. Your angles have, the second floor one was a straight angle, but that first floor one had a good, like about a 15 to a 20 degree pitch on it. And drilling 3 feet away, 1 degree off means you're either in the room or above through a hardwood. So they're the two different. We also, do you know what? There's 4 difficult fishes on this rewire, and I'll show you the last 2 before I get back to work here. All right. So we're in the great room, and from the great room into the front porch. All right. Here's that stone wall again. All right. Now here is the woodworking. Now we have to get above the woodworking, not below it, but above it. And our ceiling heights are 2 different heights here. So we have about let's just eye this up. So that's about a 12-inch gap between the top of the door and the ceiling. About 12 inches, maybe 14. Go to the other side here. and you got about 24. So there's about a 12-inch difference with this fish. The degree of difficulty with it is, if you make a mistake, you're ruining wainscoting that was probably done about 100 years ago. So the woodwork is extremely old. It's not really replaceable. So we drilled from here, and we scored above that crown molding in that hole. All right. And we didn't do it once, we had to do it twice because each side had a light fixture. So here's the other side, same 4x4 hole. There's the woodworking, all right. Here's the stone house, and there's that hole again, all right. Same, that's about a 10-degree pitch. So we had a 10-degree pitch there. So that's these two, and then the center two. Those four through the exterior wall have been pretty difficult fishes for this rewire. As a difficult fish pops up, I'll make a video. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care.